Hope you all are keeping good. This is Mauritius. Nice weather, blue sky. It's really good. We have come again to another market. Baskets here, utensils. This all comes from Mumbai. Then shirts, colorful shirts. Also, you have souvenirs. आपका नाम? आशा.
Karimba.
Tarimba.
Karimba.
So friends, we are on the way to Kurpip. Watched my earlier video. Nice.
Une propre sécurité et sécurité aux enfants. Les femmes enceintes. Nous remercions.
It's a small one. Very sad, but there are some boats here. See, there are restaurants here next to the sea. This is the underpass, and see how clean it is. No hawkers.
So friends, what happened is we reached the bus station and there were no buses.
Sudhiraj has brought us here to Super U. Thank you, Sudhiraj. I hope you all are keeping good. This is Mauritius. Nice weather, blue sky. It's really good. So I'll show you the market. The market is open now. Yesterday they were closing it, but today it's open. This chicken was really good. Only thing, there's no mayonnaise in that. But otherwise it's good. So friends, this was fish. Nice, it is tasty. And we have come again to another market. Baskets here. Handmade baskets here. Lot of handmade things here. Utensils. This all comes from Mumbai. Gumboots, hats, souvenirs. There's a lot of souvenirs here. Here there's a dodo, handmade dodo. Then shirts, colorful shirts, dresses for women, t-shirts, handbags. Oh, here also you have souvenirs. See, then the utensils here, a lot of other things. And this just next to the sea. You can see the sea, if at all you can see that. This is next to the sea, and there's a market. Blankets and shorts. Some goggles here. Sweaters. And that's over. So this is the market here. I just wanted to show you how the market looks in Mauritius. It looks very much like Indian. And there is a Maina here. They are dancing and walking. They are not afraid of people. I have seen the birds are not that afraid of people. This is aluminium. And so we bought some shot glass and from him. So thank you, some magnets. Thank you very much. Thank you, bye. So we bought many things from here and she gave a good discount. So if you're coming to Mauritius, come to Blue Bay, and just opposite Blue Bay you get this. Thank you, ma'am. Aapka naam? Asha. Asha ji, thank you.
Karimba.
Tarimba.
Karimba.
And that's of coconut. जरा पीछे का बताएंगे जरा. तो ये coconut shell है and दिखाएंगे क्या कैसा बचता है ये. So something new. Thank you, Asha ji. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
So friends, we are on the way to Kurpip. So Kurpip is a place. We are going to Kurpip to see a model shipbuilding industry. I don't know. I have heard about it. Every tour from Mumbai, they take people over to Kurpip. Friends, this is Rosabelle and you can see we were here yesterday. We are in Kurpi. Actually, the spelling is C-U-R-E-P-I-E, but they call it Kurpi. It's very chilled, let me tell you, friends. It's very chilled here, and we are waiting for tram. Actually, they call it train, but it looks like a tram only. And we'll be going by this tram to Port Louis, and from Port Louis to Grand Bay. Tram is entering now. So you might have watched my earlier video. It's really very chilled. This is the tram. Yeah, here. Nice. It was really chilled. Tram looks really good. It's really beautiful. That's for me, senior citizen and pregnant lady. So friends, we boarded the train and this is the ticket, a single-use ticket. You can buy it with cash or maybe with a card. So we bought it through a card. Indian cards are accepted here on the counter. It's 165 Mauritian rupees. So you just multiply by 2, you will get the closest exchange rate for Indian rupees. And it's a very comfortable journey. So it started right time 5 o'clock. We'll see when it reaches.
Welcome. Attention all passengers. For the convenience of all, yellow seats are reserved for passengers with disabilities and for those who are elderly or pregnant. We thank you for your cooperation. Avis à tout passager. Nous rappelle que votre siège est réservé aux passagers qui n'ont pas handicap, personnes âgées et femmes enceintes. Nous remercions pour cette coopération. Avis à votre passager qui voyage avec ses enfants. Pour sécurité et sécurité aux enfants, démarrez. Surveillez vos enfants pendant tout le long du trajet, quand vous station, quand vous achetez ticket, quand on prend métro et quand on pédale. Merci. Passengers are reminded that smoking, eating and drinking are prohibited at all stations and on train services. Nous rappelle tout passager qui fumer, manger et boire interdit dans toute station et tout train. Avis à votre passager qui fait voyage avec ses enfants. Pour propre sécurité et sécurité aux enfants, le démano surveille aux enfants pendant tout le long du trajet, quand on va aux stations, quand on peut acheter ticket, quand on prend métro et Attention all passengers. Please have your ticket or Me card ready for inspection. For safety and security of all passengers, ticket inspectors regularly patrol. Attention all passengers. For the convenience des femmes enceintes, nous remercions ceux pour votre coopération.
Chers passagers, nous allons là pour nous. C'est un officiel qui est protégé par la loi. Nous rappelons que tout cas d'agression est punissable par la loi. Un agresseur risque une peine d'emprisonnement allant jusqu'à 5 ans ou même une amende allant jusqu'à 100 000 roupies selon eux.
Next station, Holby, Victoria. The last this service. Please take all your belongings and alight the train. Thank you for traveling.
So the last stop, we got on at the last stop, and see the metro. It's just on the road, you can say. They call it metro or railway, but I call it a tram. It's just on the road. You can see the road is here, and the sea is here. It's really beautiful. You see, it's so beautiful. Not a big train. It's a small one, and I have to take a bus now from here somewhere. So let me go on the waterfront to see the sunset. It's a beautiful day today. It looks so beautiful here. I won't be able to see the sunset. No, the sunset is very difficult. You can see it on the other side. So we can see this from the other side. So nice it is. It looks so beautiful. It's Navy, I think, there. Yeah, Coast Guard. That's a Coast Guard over there. See this here. So many cannons here. See one more there. But nothing is mentioned. They should have mentioned it. How old it is. Because I found out one cannon was mid 18th century. This also looks beautiful. So there are. I want to see the sunset. Come see the sunset from there. Come. I don't think we are allowed to go inside, but from here we can stand and see the sunset. Yes. From here, a little bit of sunset you can see. Oh, very difficult. Yeah, very difficult. But that's the sunset over there. Looks very nice. The sun is set. Before I could reach this place, it's already gone. It's very sad. But there are some boats here. I wanted to show you some boats here. Yeah, beautiful boats here. Really beautiful. I think they're all Coast Guards. Yeah, they're all Coast Guards. The sunset has just got over. So very sad. The clouds are there. You can see the clouds are there. So very sad. But okay. Nice view here. There are so many boats here. Some yachts, some boats. It's all private, I think. They're all private here. So many of them, but I can't see the sunset. But there are so many of them here. And I love boats. Here there are some people here on another boat. So many boats here, and my friend works here inside. Nitish works in the harbor. What he does I don't know, but Nitish works in the harbor. And a beautiful place here. A beautiful, it's an old building, and there are restaurants here. If you see, there are restaurants here. Let me show you the restaurants. Yeah, It's just next to the sea. See there are restaurants here next to the sea. They look so good here. It's really awesome experience. Just sit next to this place and enjoy your food. It's really awesome. Cuisine, the Chinese, Asian, so many of them. You can see here. Nicely maintained, and really we don't have such things in India, in Mumbai. I think my daughter is searching for me. So these are the restaurants here. So food items. This is really very cheap, I think they're not very expensive. Okay, for this area, it's not expensive. See this beautiful. This is the post office, built in 1868. This is the post office. Now we have to cross over. And hey, Mila. And see, my wife loves this. This is the underpass, and see how clean it is. No hawkers, and so clean. Came from here. Yesterday night we were walking this way. And that's the post office. Forgot to show you. All the buses are Ashok Leyland and Tata. Now we have to take one of this bus. Grombe.
Grombe next station.
Oh. So buses are Ashok Leyland and Tata. See, Ashok Leyland. So India is here. Actually they call Mauritius as a mini India. Out that Tata and Ashok Leyland buses are here. Really, it's a great thing to have your country buses here. So now we have to take a bus, not for Port Louis, it's to Grombe. Actually it is Grand Bay, Grandbe, but here they call it Grombe. Friends, we took a minivan, and this guy, the brother told it's better you take this. Same price, 50 rupees.
देखोगे भी बस में रहेगा तो कितना लेगा? 40 रुपए लेगा।
मालूम नहीं मुझे।
40 रुपए लेगा।
अच्छा।
मैं
और यहाँ
ज़्यादा छोटा बस में रहेगा तो 50 रुपए लेगा।
40 रुपया लेगा, 50 रुपया लेगा। टाइम देखना चाहिए कितने बजे तुम ग्राम्बे जाओ।
44 लेगा, 50 लेगा, कितना बोल?
लगभग 8 बजे जाओगे।
हम तो टूरिस्ट हैं, हमको मालूम नहीं ना।
हाँ ठीक है।
हम रोज क्या रहते हैं ना।
आप तो रोज जाते।
So friends, what happened is we reached the bus station and there were no buses. So there was one bus, but they don't know what's the timing. So this guy, he has a van, and there were many people sitting. So he said, "Oh, come, sit." This is a shared taxi actually. So now we are in a shared taxi, and this will take us straight to Grombe, that is Grand Bay.
Sudhiraj has brought us here to Super U. Thank you, Sudhiraj, or Dhanyavad with this van. Here is this van. Thank you. You meet good people. Sudhiraj, thank you. So we have come to see the Super U because my wife and daughter have not seen. Yes, that day we came here, but it was late, and now we are going to see the Super U.